In a press conference last Friday, I urged the Prime Minister to file a formal complaint to the US Department of Justice because contrary to the Prime Minister's position, DuSable had disclosed to the Department of Justice on 23rd April 2014 that 1MDB had entered into a partnership with DuSable to develop, finance and construct a 50 megawatt solar power project in Malaysia. It has now come to my attention that in addition to the two DOJ disclosures of DuSable over its dealings with 1MDB, DuSable also disclosed on 30th April 2014 a supplemental statement. The supplemental statement, which I've attached to all of you, states that DuSable has disbursed money on behalf of the government of Malaysia, a sum of USD 542,394 US dollar and 10 cents, roughly 2.3 million ringgit Malaysia, for solar project in Malaysia. The payments were made for salaries. The salaries were DuSable's worker, and then consultants, energy consultants, lawyers, accountants, and travel reimbursements. Now, all this is at the back of the disclosure made by DuSable themselves. Yeah, the largest single recipient of payments, there were two payments made to an American law firm of Skadden, Arps, Slate, Merger, and Flom LLP, totaling 274,526 US dollars, or roughly 1.178 million ringgit, for legal services regarding the solar project in Malaysia. Now, I'm a lawyer, YB Gui is a lawyer. Yeah? When you pay about 1.178 million on lawyer fees, we expect a lot of work to be done regarding this matter. So what it means is, we're not saying that we have any details about what the law firm in America has done, but it either means that the agreement has concluded or a lot of work was carried out to finalize an agreement. Now, with the declaration of the payments amounting to 2.3 million ringgit, it is now evidently clear that some business relationship exists between DuSable and the government of Malaysia or 1MDB. Now we ask the Prime Minister, will you finally disclose to us what is that business relationship? I mean, last week you told me that there's no partnership, no joint venture agreement signed, but you got 2.3 million paid by the Malaysian government to DuSable to disburse out to law firms, to accountants, to salary staff, to disburse travel disbursements. So there is a relationship here. There's a 2.3 million ringgit relationship. So please, as the Prime Minister, please disclose to us what is that business relationship between 1MDB and DuSable.